This photo of what appears to be a large factory is actually just a small part of the Ebbw Steelworks, which took up to a large part of the valley floor next to the town. This section of the works was known as engineering shops, where mechanics called fitters and electricians would work if a piece of machinery in the ironworks broke down. The fitters and electricians would have the tools and machines here that could be used to repair them. This could include mending old parts or making new ones in the workshop. Without the one part of the factory, Ebbw Steelworks would quickly come to a halt, and the production of tons of steel would stop. However, productions did eventually stop in December 2002 when the industry changed direction, resulting in the steelworks at Ebbw finally closing down. The site was cleared and sold in 2005 for redevelopment. Today, the site has multiple uses, including hospital, leisure centre, and the campus.